Hi guys, so today something amazing just happened. My burping video got 202 views. That's amazing. You really like this video. You really like this video. Pretty good like to dislike ratio.
Who wants to win 10 free subscribers?
Alright.
No one.
The only other video that has 200 views, over 200 views is my first video. But who cares about that? That sucks. This is the true legend. This is the one which is supposed to be on top. It's the only video on my channel that really deserves it. It's really good. See? Look at the good recording quality. Look. It looks so good. It looks like it totally wasn't recorded on an iPhone 6. Also, you guys, please vote on what my next video should be. Please. I just voted on myself, but no, you do the votes. You do it yourself. Look at the positive feedback. Wow. You guys really like it. So please share this video. It's amazing. It's awesome. Please. But that's it. And see you guys next time.